what's going on, guys? Michael here, back at you. Right behind me, you're seeing a 2012 Porsche Carrera S. Now, this lovely car is here because we're putting on a set of KW V3s on this car. Currently, it's got a set of aftermarket suspension, but those shocks have already given out, so we're here to replace it with a set of KW V3s. This is a lovely, lovely 2012 Porsche Carrera S. Stay tuned. We're gonna take you guys through the entire process of install and exactly what the car looks like when it's all done. We'll see you guys then.
Perfect.
Ready? Is that good? Okay, good. All right, finally, I can take the mask off. What's going on, guys? We are finally done here with the Porsche. I'm more than 6 feet away from Paul, so I can speak with you guys without having to scream through my mask. Anyways, back to the Porsche. This is a 2013 Porsche Carrera S. The other day, he came in here to install a KW V3. It previously had a set of aftermarket coilovers on there, but the problem was that the shocks gave out. The fronts were super low. I think it maybe had a finger gap on here. So the customer came to us, was complaining the ride was pretty harsh. So he said, Mike, let me know what you guys can do. I really want my car to handle and ride so much better. So I said, hey, let's go with the best of the best, which is a KW V3 version for your Porsche. So we put that on. The car is really, really nice. It sort of has this battleship gray wrap on there. It also has a set of TWS forged wheels along with a Vorsteiner spoiler on the rear deck. And to finish everything off, we put a set of KW V3s. Again, the V3s will allow you to adjust the height, the dampening, and also the rebound. Right now, what we set it at, it's roughly about a 2-finger gap, front and rear. Again, when it came in here, the front was super slammed because the other shocks that it came in here with were completely destroyed. It pretty much gave out. So, brand new V3s on here. We're about to take it out for a test drive. Hopefully everything is perfect and smooth. Our process here at PartsPRO.PH is we install it, we put the settings right in the middle, right height to what the customer wants it to be, and then we have the customer drive it for about a week or so. He comes back, let us know whether he wants it stiffer or softer, and also we're gonna go ahead and recheck the alignment. We already did the alignment on here, right to factory spec, and then again, after a week or so, the customer will come back and make sure everything is good. If you guys need anything, please let us know, whether it's for your Toyota Vios or a Porsche like this, or even a Ferrari. Here at PartsPRO.PH, we pretty much can take care of it all. We're a one-stop shop. You can get the parts from us. We install it here with our sister store, and we'll be able to send you off really, really quick with a quick turnaround time. Let us know what you guys need, for your car. Again, my name is Michael from PartsPRO.PH. You can hit us up, www.partspro.ph, or the website, or sorry, Facebook at PartsPRO.PH. Or you can even visit us here at the store, 91 Congressional Avenue, Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. We're open Monday through Saturday, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, 8:30. All right, thank you guys so much. Another Porsche done.
Perfect.